Hi and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're going to be looking at this learner legal Yamaha R125. This is a 2014 14 plate bike with super low mileage. It's covered 4,700 miles from new. HPI clear, nice clean and tidy bike, ready for someone to ride away on a CBT. So we'll walk you around and we'll have a look at the bike. So this is one of the earlier bikes that came out, so it's a non-ABS, really clean and tidy. It's finished in the factory blue silver contrasting colours. Good tyre on the front, single disc on the left hand side with Brembo calipers. Relatively standard condition. The paintwork's pretty fair, to be honest. No signs of any major drops, bangs or scrapes or anything like that. There's a few little marks here and there that I'll be able to point out as we go around. So the first of which is there's a little mark there on the fairing, as you can see, but there's no signs of the bike having been dropped. It's HPI clear. The bike came in with an aftermarket exhaust which would have failed the MOT, so we've put a new brand new Lextech exhaust system on it. Sounds fantastic. It's got the baffle, it's road legal, ready to go. The bike has just been serviced by us as well. Obviously it's low mileage, it's done barely nothing at all in the last sort of few years, so needed a good service, so that's all been done. New brake pads all around, and it's got a brand new rear tyre as well. And you can see the Optimate cable there on the pillion pegs for the charger, and we would obviously add L plates to this bike as well. So really nice example of the bike for someone who's just passed their CBT or is looking to upgrade. These 125s are light and nimble. They've got a great chassis, by far the best looking sports bike in my opinion out there that you can ride on a 125 CBT. As I said, standard condition, so you might want to put a tail tidy on or a seat cowl, that sort of thing. We can offer you a bit of discount on, no problem. Again, on this side, it's in nice condition. Again, there's a few little marks and stuff like that on the bike, nothing too major. There's a small mark just on the side of the tank there, possibly caused by someone's knee. Just a small mark on the side fairing here. But as you can tell, you know, there's no big scratches or dings, it's not been dropped or anything like that. Chain and sprockets are good. As I said, the brakes have been replaced all around. It's got a brand spanking new rear tyre. You can see the lines on it still on the back there. As we come up, you can see the cockpit. We've got the 2 keys for the bike. This bike will come with a 12-month MOT as well. You can see there's a couple of small marks there on the clock glass. Could be caused by keys and stuff like that. Let's give it a start up for you. Sounds lovely that. As you can see, it's still got the baffle in it. It is brand new. Yeah, really nice bike this. Great value for money and a rare find with such low mileage. So for the duration of lockdown, this bike will come with free delivery. We offer a 3-month warranty with free roadside assistance as well. We offer finance and part exchange, as you'd expect, and we can either offer a physical viewing or we can do video viewings as well if this video is not sufficient. Happy to answer any questions. You can reach out to us via Facebook. We've got WhatsApp, live chat on both the website and on Auto Trader, and of course happy to have a conversation on the phone. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.